As you can see all the way back, I did put some more of the marble paper in the back of the cubes. Y'all, I done went crazy with this marble paper. I actually like it. And so on this first shelf, this is all my glues and Mod Podge, M-O-D Podge, not M-O-D-G-E. I usually say it wrong. And clay and wood filler, just all items like that. Then down here is all my beautiful journals and books. And then I'm still using the cube shell, just different little stuff I got from Dollar Tree. And then down here is another cube that's got all my fabrics in it to make my badge holders. And this one has some more, hold on, some extra ribbons. Y'all remember when Dollar Tree had these felt ribbons? I never did use them. Still holding on to them. I got purple, green, and I think a pink. And these are some ribbon. As you can see, I took the whole box from Dollar Tree. It was an empty box, so I just utilized it for my ribbons. And over here, this is an organizer that I had, and I just slid it in that cube. It's got different stuff on there, greeting cards and extra photos. And these are all my stamps. I got some Martha Stewart stamps and some Fisker stamps. And this is a stamp that I won in a giveaway. And this is a stamp also I won. I'll be working with that. Those are more stamps down there. So that's everything on this side. So as you can see, I really needed to organize my craft disc. Now I'm gonna show you the other side, and then we're gonna conclude this video. Out of my desk where my Cricut is, and the only thing I'm working on a solution for when I use my Cricut. Only thing is when I use my Cricut, I have to take all these and move them closer over here in order to use my Cricut. But I'll come up with a solution later. But anyway, that's why all of that is hanging there. Y'all know that's driving me crazy, right? But anyway, it's out of sight, out of mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and start over here, since this is the part that's bothering me. I'll go ahead and get this out of the way. So the top cube, these are some badge holders that's in one of these black organizers. And over here, this is the part I like best about my reorganization, is how I was able to find some clear containers at the Dollar Tree and just label them. So when I get ready to make badge holders, I don't have to be looking around. I just pick up this whole container, put it on my desk. Then I get this whole container of embellishment, put it on my desk. So when I finish, I just bring it back. And so I utilize all the jars from the, those candles at Dollar Tree. Just wash the mason jars out and use those. That's my little googly eyes. Then I have some miniature clothespins. I have some push pins. I got some sequin headbands. Some painted wood letters. Then I have some unpainted, some more googly eyes. I got some unpainted wood letters somewhere. Oh, here they are. And the unpainted wood letters are right there. So all this on that shelf. So if I need any of those supplies, I just pick them up and put them on top of my desk. And when I finish, I bring them back. These are all my little tablecloths and the little extra things that I use. And we're going to go over here. Y'all ignore these cables. Let me move them out the way. Just going to let them hang there. Excuse me. So on this shelf, I have rubber bands. And I love these organizers here. I could only find 3 at the Dollar Tree. Now, before I started organizing my craft room, I used to see them all the time. So Miss V is on the hunt for these clear containers right here. I love these. So it just has the little top. Just put whatever your items are. Then I got Christmas decoration for my badge holders. Then I have Christmas badge holders that I made last year. So I have those out the way. That way around Christmas time, I know to add that to my collection. So we got some felt leaves from the Dollar Tree. And then I got this wine holder that I'm using to house all of my diamond wrap. So I have that and that. So we're going to go on down to the next shelf. Going to put this back, keep everything organized. I enjoyed finding these clear card boxes. So I got my decorative clothespins. Got some stamps. Got all my tags in there. some more stamps, ink stamps. So when I'm getting ready to use these things, I just pull out the entire container. And I got my letters for my light boxes. You know those boxes over there that say it's debt free and Miss V. These are the letters. When I get ready to change that out, got some magnets. All my gem clips. Then I just got paper crafts. So I keep all these organized right here. I kind of know where they are. And I'm loving this little system. Because there's no point in having items if you can't use them. Because you don't know where they are. And this is just all my paint cans. And we're going to go over here. This is all my tapes. Decorative tape. And I got this dispenser from Dollar Tree. And these are all my paper. Some more paper crafts. Got these organizers, which I'm going to have to get a bigger one. Just a little clear flat organizer. This is all my paper, decorative paper. These are all my pens. Pencils, pens, and markers. And these are some more decorative. These are my notepads and decorative bags. And the last one is just my supplies that I use to mail to you guys. So I have bubble wrap and clear wrap and newspaper and all kind of stuff in there. So that's it. That's Miss V's new layout of her craft. I like it. I feel like I can craft a little more now because I'm more organized. So that's it. So if you're interested in purchasing this microphone, please click the link in the description box. And I'm also going to be an affiliate of Dollar Tree. So that link is coming soon. So this is it. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love and encourage you. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Call on things as though they are. And y'all have a nice day.